Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 79. And the instruction here say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. And this is question number 79. And the statement say although the accused could be, we have answered to say it could be paid, no one was available to do that for him, thus he was thus he was thus he was reminded reminded in a dash. There in camp, it can be camp, in cell, no, not in cell, guard room, not in guard room, then reformatory, not reformatory, but what, in prison, in what, in in prison, so in a prison. So option D is correct. Thank you, God, and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.